Hello Prime, welcome to your own channel Belt Universal. If you are new in this channel, you can subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon. Friends, this is a long time awaiting course of a stock market. It's a beginner guide of a stock market. Those who are new in the stock market, those who don't know about anything about the stock market, those people become a successful trader or investor by doing this course. This course is specially designed for the people those who are newcomers and also those who are also doing trading or investing but not able to successful in the trading and investing. In the YouTube there are so many material about the stock market, but there is a importance of step by step and sequence wise material which is lack of in the YouTube. So this course is specially designed for those people those who want to step by step and from basic to advanced level how to invest and trade in the stock market. So what is our major aim? We want to make a people independent investor, successful investor, and when they become financially successful. So who which type of people can do this course? Those who want from work from home on online, those who want to get a financial freedom, and person those who want to generate the another source of income, and those who want to doing the business, and those who are already in the private or government job, they can also join this course, and also homemaker and students which are in the school level, college level, and university level. It is a very important course for these people also, because if they start their financial intelligence and financial education from this stage, from the very early stage, they become financially free at the very younger stage. So it's very beneficial for the students to generate the income through their learning by earning. Which type of a topic we can cover in this course? So we can cover about the introduction of a share market, how to open demat account, and what is a technical and fundamental analysis. These are the major factor in this course, because if anyone know about the technical analysis and fundamental analysis, then he become the successful in the stock market. We will discuss about the difference between the fundamental and technical analysis, and we will discuss about the different trading strategy, how we can trade in the intraday swing trading, and how we can trade positionally, and how we can select any stock for long term investment. Another topic we can discuss about the future and options, what is from basic to advanced level, what happened in the expiry, we option trading कैसे की जाती है, how what is a call and put, how the option expiry trading, and what happened in the expiry day on in option trading, how your premium going to become a zero, and what happened in how time decay affect your option premium. These all things we will discuss very deeply in the course. Friend, believe me, this course is very valuable course. If you want to go online and want to purchase this course, each single segment will be paid in the lakh of rupees and thousand of rupees, and totally different free of cost. I'm going to make this course totally free of cost on this channel. And next, earlier I said technical analysis and fundamental analysis are the two major factor, and but we will learn about the technical analysis. We learn about the price action, candlesticks, chart patterns, volume, oscillator, and support and resistance. And candlesticks, we will discuss about how candlesticks work and what it represents. Like this candle is a bearish candles, and this candle is a hammer, and this is a bullish candle, and how and where they are forming at the support level or resistance level, and how it works. We will discuss deeply about each and everything. We will discuss about the demand and supply, different time frame, daily, weekly. If you are doing a long term trade, then how we can discuss and how we can take it the daily, weekly, or monthly time frame. If you're doing the intraday, how we can take the time frame 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, or 30 minute. We will discuss each and every aspect in the deeply. What is a trend analysis? How we can find that there is a bullish trend or bearish trend or sideways trend. We will discuss each and everything. What is a gap up opening? We will discuss about the gap up opening, gap down opening, and trading psychology and investing psychology. What is the difference between the trading psychology and investing psychology? And another is a major aspect we will discuss about the risk management, because risk management is a very important topic in the share market. Because if you not managing your risk, you may be lose your entire capital in the stock market. So we will learn this risk management very well, so you can become a consistent profitable in this market. Before proceeding further, I would like to tell you I have also a pre telegram channel, Wealthtree. You can join this channel. You will get link through description box of this video, and you can directly search from telegram, and you will get the important information and important update during the market and live hours. And this is my last month profit and loss statement. You will see this is a 2 lakh profit in the last month, and current this month in the May month, this is my current trading going on, and I'm in the profit of 98,000. This is about the profit and loss statement. And we will also discuss about the trading indicator, which type of indicator we have to use while we are trading or investing. So there are so many indicator in the stock market or trading platform. So we will give you main which are the very helpful or reliable indicator, like volume, moving average, MACD, Bollinger Band, RSI, Ichimoku Cloud, Darbex Box, ADX, and for which trading, swing trading, positional trading, intraday trading, which indicator is the best for which trading. We will discuss about each and every indicator very deeply, and we will tell you how you have to enter and how you have to take a trade using these indicators. Next concept is the fundamental analysis, in which we will learn about the how to find out the EPS PE ratio of the any companies and any company stock price, how we can understand the business of the companies, and how we have to read the financial report of the company, and we have to check about the debt and red signs company, how many promoter shares are pledged, or how much debt on the companies. Or we will also check about the competitor of the companies, because if we are going to invest in any company for a long term, so we will discuss and we will check many factors of this company, so then we will invest in particular company. And we will also analyze the future prospect of any companies, because if there is a future is bright of that company, then only we will invest on that company, otherwise we will not invest in that company. So we will discuss each and every aspect very deeply. And these are the factor we can see the company, how we can analyze industry analysis, in which company we are going, which belong to from which industry, and we analyze this industry is going to grow in the future or not, economic condition of the countries, and future and profit outlook, what happened after 1 year 2 year if we are going to invest a long term in particular companies. These all aspects are covering in the fundamental analysis during the course. Next is a bonus. This bonus is given for only those who are continuously doing this course and continuously active and learn every day and seriously want to make a independent and investor and trader. I will give you them multi-bagger stock and sector. I will also teach them sector analysis and how to find the blue chip stock, and how to find the trend is uptrend, downtrend, or sideways trend, and how to become a consistent profitable. Become a profitable in the stock market for a short time is a very easy. What it is a very difficult to become a consistent profitable in the stock market, and those who become the consistent profitable in the stock market will be able to make a huge wealth, because there is a huge wealth in the stock market, but only few people are able to make and create a wealth in stock market. Why? Because all people are not a consistent profitable, because they will not follow some set of rules and discipline, because discipline, rules, and patience is required in the stock market if you want to make a money from stock market. So everything is in deeply you will be teach in this course. Next today we will discuss about the short introduction about the what is the share market. So share market is a place where we can buy or sell the share or stock of public listed companies, and In India, SEBI is control these. There are two exchange, NSE and BSE. In India, National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange, which we are able to sell and buy any company's share. Those companies are listed on these exchange, NSE and BSE exchange. In NSE exchange, there are more than 2000 listed companies, and there is a one index, Nifty 50 index, and it is a comprises and combination of a 50 companies. This is called the Nifty 50 companies, and according to that company, if these companies share are going to up according to their volume and their, in the same way the index going to up, that is the index is moving like there is a inline asset of this index. And this is next is a Bombay Stock Exchange. In this more than 4000 companies are listed, and it is a company 30 company group of 30 company, and it make a Sensex. You will heard about the news of the Sensex is going up, the Sensex is going down, and this is what happened. Then these 30 company is share price is going to up, then Sensex is also going to up, and then these 30 companies share going to down, then Sensex is also going to down. And this is the timing of trading in the NSE and BSE. So both exchange have the same timing, NSE and BSE, in the morning 9 o'clock to 3:30 p.m. And there is another exchange is the MCX Multi Commodity Exchange of India, in which you can trade the silver, gold, copper, natural gas and crude oil, and it is run till the midnight. And this is a flow chart how you have to do in this trading and investing. Firstly you have to open a demat account, and you will attach any broker or sub broker, and it will provide you username, password. You have to open login on the online platform. Then you, if you buy any share, it will go in your demat account, and then you sell, it will be out from your demat account. This is a all over process. This is a very easy process. Each and know everyone using smartphone, they will know it easily. Next, what is the index? So index is a mirror of market, like I will earlier tell you, like Nifty 50. If the Nifty 50 stock goes up, then the Nifty 50 index value is also goes up. Next is terms. What is the delivery and day trading? The delivery trading is trading when you take any trade today. If you buy any share of any company today, and you will not sell on the same day, you are selling on the next day, or maybe next month, next year, or maybe next year, then this trade is known as a delivery trade, because you are taking is as a for a long term of any trade. You are taking, you are buying share of any company today, and you will also sell it same day. Then it's called a day trading or intraday trading. And these are the terms used in the price, last trading price, open price, close price, 52-week high, low, day low. All price, these are the terms using in the price. We will discuss in the technical analysis when we will discuss about the technical analysis chapter. And then some important terms are market price, limit price, margin, short selling, what is a short covering, what is a stop loss, and how we can use stop loss. These all things when we discuss about the technical analysis, we will discuss each and every term in deeply. Next is what is a demat account. So demat account is a dematerialized account. You will get it online. And what are the stock brokers? There are the top stock broker in India which provide the you can open your demat account through this. And there is a one important bonus. If you I personally use the discount broker which is the number one India discount broker is Zerodha and Angel Broking. I found this best because it's very low fees as comparison to other one. And if you want to open, if you don't have a demat account, I will give you two bonus. If you open your account through any one of my link, Angel Broking or Joda account, then I will provide you two multi-bagger stock for you. When you open your account, you can message me, and you will get definitely two multi-bagger, and you will create a huge wealth in these stocks. And why we have to invest in the share market? Because we want to maximize our returns, because in the bank we get only 4 to 5% interest, but in the share market we get 20 to 30%. Normally we get 20 to 30% returns. And inflation rate today is going to 8 to 9%. So bank we provide us 4 to 5%, we are in the minus. So we have to invest in our money so we can get the better return from banks. We can beat the inflations and we can reach our financial goals timely, and we can also reduce our financial risk because if we learn how to invest in share market, then we will invest, then our risk is very minimized or maybe zero. If we learn very well, then invest. If you invest directly without learning, then there is a risk, huge risk in the share market. And if you invest well planned way and you diversify your portfolio, then you will get the good return in share market. And then there is another terms in the market, that is a bull market. When market is going up, then it is called a bull market. And another term is a bear market. When market going down, then this is called a bear market. This term comes when we will discuss the next chapter of the discourse. Then you should know about what is a bull market and what is a bear market. Another thing is a stagger and deer market. It is nothing in this what happened. It is a speculation in the stock. If any company stock is going up and up and up day by day, up and up, but business of that company is not growing as much as the share prices, when what happened, then there is a some operator who operate this stock and make this stock at a very high price. And what happened, retail investor are start adding because they seeing this price is going very high and they buy this stock at that price, and immediately this operator sell off their or holding, and stock price is again going down, and from so many years is become at that range, and the retail investor trap in that. So how we will discuss in technical analysis and fundamental analysis how we can select the stock so we cannot found in that type of trap. But is a lame duck, it's also similar like a operator. In operator previously scenario we have seen it will make a price higher high, but in this scenario it is the opposite thing, it make a price in the lower sides. So we will discuss deeply about this in later on when we will come on this chapter. If you have any question and any query, you can feel free and you can write in the comment box. You will get your answer soon. And if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe this video. And you can also share this video as much as you can with your friends and family, those who want to learn from online and earn online, and those who want to become a home and earn and create another source of income at home. Thank you.